I want to start off by saying how glad I am that everybody was able to show up tonight to celebrate the 40th anniversary of Grass America.
Finally, folks, he admits that the doctor helped him.
You helped my hearing.
Oh, good. I'm glad he helped your hearing.
And I'd like to really thank everybody for coming out. I'm so glad that not only our employees, but many of their family and friends were able to join us. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the plant. It's always exciting and interesting to see where it is that mom or dad or your spouse or your children work. I hope you're able to see what they do and that you enjoyed that. And certainly like to thank all the folks in production. They did a really good job. We'd like to also say a few words about the history of the company, and who better to do that than a gentleman who has been with the company for 25 years, both in Austria and here in the U.S. Matthias Bola, our Executive Vice President.
Grass was founded in 1947 in Austria. Mr. Grass was a very good engineer and full of ideas for innovative products used in kitchen and bath cabinets. Today we have a solid distribution network and customers across the country. We employ more than 250 people with a sales force located across the US. We're here today to celebrate the 70th and the 40th Grass anniversary. Thank you.